Well, we are continuing to work on the next release of gCADPlus. One of the features that we will add is the ability for gCADPlus to work with attributes. Attributes were introduced by Autodesk, the company that develops AutoCAD. And let me just switch to the species photos that are being used on an A3 sheet that's going to be given to the client, showing some of the species used in the design. So if I select this block down here, notice it's got attributes associated with it. An attribute for the drafter, maybe a junior drafter whose initials are JG, has put together these images for me, and its scale is not to scale, rather not for scale. So can you see I can enter and change information in that title block quite easily, and it's a title block called Hager Design Mini Title 2. And if I come back to this layout sheet and pick the very same block, it has the same name, but the information that goes into the design, into that title box, is completely different, because each one of those that is showing up now with the grip on it, every one of those with the blue handle showing, is in fact an attribute, and we can alter it very, very easily indeed. Any of those attributes that are there, this could be revision D, and the sheet, if we change the sheet size, we could just change it in there, change the site location and the client name. I hasten to add that these are all fictitious. So we'll unselect and then zoom previous. So can you see that gCADPlus handling attributes can, in some instances, give you some real power. We can also add attributes to things like this table that's here. There would be nothing to stop us. Let me just turn off line weight for the moment. There'd be nothing to stop us having a block showing. Of course, I need to go back into the model. My mistake. Pick that. It's a block called Spiesgruppe 8. So it's clearly a catalogue number for a company. But we could specify the manufacturer, the contact details of that manufacturer, the colour of the stain that's going to be applied to it, and any other maintenance information in the form of a note there. So there's a lot we can add if we use attributes, and this can make your design much more interactive than it is at present. So we are hoping to release that in the next release of gCADPlus.